Today I'm challenging myself to create the ultimate protein-packed smoothie using only natural ingredients. No protein powders allowed. Let's see if I can make it delicious, nutritious and not taste like a science experiment gone wrong. Did you know that almost 70% of Americans fall short of their daily protein needs? That's like trying to run a marathon on a donut diet. Protein builds and repairs tissues. It boosts your metabolism. It's like having a personal trainer in your food. It even keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So you won't be raiding the fridge at midnight. Smoothies, your secret weapon for protein domination. Smoothies are like the superheroes of the breakfast world. They're easy to make, they're customizable. They're perfect for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. No cape required. But here's the plot twist. Ditch the protein powders and embrace the power of natural ingredients. Your taste buds will thank you. Breaking free from the supplement trap. Many people turn to protein supplements to meet their needs. However, these supplements often contain artificial ingredients. They can be expensive, and let's be honest, they don't taste like grandma's cookies. Plus, they don't provide the same nutritional benefits as whole foods. Nature offers a bounty of protein-rich ingredients perfect for smoothies. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the nutritional value of your smoothies, making them a perfect meal replacement or a post-workout recovery drink. Let's dive into some of the best ingredients you can add to your smoothie to make it both delicious and nutritious. And hey, who said healthy can't be fun? Greek yogurt is a creamy, protein-packed base. It's rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health, and it adds a delightful tangy flavor to your smoothie. Whether you prefer it plain or flavored, Greek yogurt is a versatile ingredient that blends well with fruits, vegetables, and other smoothie components. Plus, it's like giving your gut a VIP spa treatment. Nuts and seeds, like chia seeds and almonds, provide protein and healthy fats. Chia seeds are particularly known for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, which is great for heart health. Almonds, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin E, magnesium and fiber. Adding a handful of these to your smoothie can give it a satisfying crunch and a nutritional boost. It's like adding a little party to your blender. And don't forget about leafy greens like spinach, which offer a surprising amount of protein along with essential vitamins and minerals. Spinach is rich in iron, calcium and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse ingredient for any smoothie. Its mild flavor blends seamlessly with fruits and other ingredients, ensuring you get a nutrient-packed drink without compromising on taste. Popeye would be proud. Fresh fruits like bananas, berries and mangoes are also excellent additions to your smoothie. They not only add natural sweetness but also provide essential vitamins, minerals and fiber. Bananas are great for adding creaminess, while berries are packed with antioxidants. Mangoes, with their tropical flavor, can make your smoothie taste like a vacation in a glass. Who needs a plane ticket when you have a blender? Don't forget to add a liquid base to your smoothie. Milk, whether dairy or plant-based, is a great option. It helps to blend all the ingredients smoothly and adds a creamy texture. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer a vegan option, almond milk, soy milk or oat milk are excellent alternatives that also add their own unique flavors and nutritional benefits. It's like the glue that holds your smoothie dreams together. Blending these ingredients together creates a delicious, nutrient-dense smoothie that can be enjoyed any time of the day. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout recovery drink, or a healthy snack, these ingredients will ensure your smoothie is both tasty and packed with essential nutrients. So get creative and start blending. And remember, a smoothie a day keeps the hangry away. Bobby's Ultimate Protein Smoothie, a symphony of flavor and strength. This smoothie is not just a drink, it's an experience, a blend of flavors and nutrients that will invigorate your senses and fuel your body. And hey, it might even make you feel like a superhero. Cape not included. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic base for smoothies, providing a creamy texture without the added sugars or calories of regular milk. It's also a great source of vitamin E, which is essential for skin health. because who doesn't want to glow like a light bulb? Next, add half a cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. It also adds a rich, tangy flavor to the smoothie, making it more satisfying and delicious. Plus, your gut will thank you with a happy dance. Then, include a quarter cup of rolled oats. Rolled oats are a great source of fiber which helps keep you full and satisfied. They also add a nice, subtle texture to the smoothie, making it more hearty and filling. Think of it as a mini workout for your blender. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds is next. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber and protein. They help thicken the smoothie and add a slight crunch, enhancing the overall texture. These little guys are like the ninjas of the seed world. Add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Almond butter is rich in healthy fats, protein and vitamins. It gives the smoothie a creamy, nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. It's like a hug in a jar. Next, add half a cup of frozen berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. They add a burst of sweetness and a vibrant color to the smoothie, making it both nutritious and visually appealing. Plus, they make your smoothie look like a party in a glass. Finally, add a handful of spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and K. It blends seamlessly into the smoothie, adding a boost of nutrition without altering the taste. Popeye would be proud. Now for the instructions, combine all ingredients in a blender. Make sure to layer the ingredients, starting with the liquids at the bottom, followed by the softer ingredients, and finally the frozen items on top. This helps the blender work more efficiently and ensures a smoother blend. It's like building a smoothie skyscraper. Blend until smooth and creamy. Depending on your blender, this might take anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute. You want to make sure there are no chunks and that the smoothie has a consistent texture throughout, because nobody likes a lumpy smoothie. Finally, pour into a glass and enjoy. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast, a post-workout snack, or even a healthy dessert. It's a symphony of flavor and strength designed to nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Enjoy the blend of creamy almond milk, tangy Greek yogurt, hearty oats, crunchy chia seeds, nutty almond butter, sweet berries, and nutritious spinach. Each sip is a step towards a healthier, more energized you. And who knows, you might even start singing in the kitchen. A closer look unveiling the powerhouse ingredients. Today, we dive deep into the world of smoothie ingredients that not only enhance flavor, but also pack a punch in terms of nutrition. These ingredients are carefully selected to provide a balanced mix of proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, ensuring that every sip of your smoothie is a step towards better health. And who doesn't want to sip their way to a healthier you? Greek yogurt. Packed with protein, this creamy ingredient also provides probiotics for gut health. Greek yogurt is a staple in many smoothies due to its rich texture and tangy flavor. It's an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for bone health. The probiotics in Greek yogurt help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for digestion and overall well-being. Including Greek yogurt in your smoothie can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. Plus, it's like giving your gut a VIP spa treatment. Chia seeds, don't be fooled by their size. Chia seeds are protein powerhouses and deliver a healthy dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds expand when soaked in liquid, creating a gel-like consistency that adds thickness to your smoothie. The fiber in chia seeds aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for heart health and can reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, chia seeds are a good source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of them as the tiny but mighty superheroes of the smoothie world. Almond butter, rich in protein and healthy fats, Almond butter adds a creamy texture and nutty flavor. It's a fantastic alternative to peanut butter for those with allergies. Almond butter is also high in vitamin E, which is important for skin health and acts as an antioxidant. The monounsaturated fats in almond butter can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Adding a spoonful of almond butter to your smoothie not only enhances its taste, but also provides a sustained energy boost, making it perfect for a pre- or post-workout snack. It's like a nutty hug in a jar. Spinach. This leafy green is surprisingly high in protein and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrients, including iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. It's also rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. The antioxidants in spinach, such as beta-carotene and lutein, help protect your eyes and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Despite its mild flavor, spinach blends seamlessly into smoothies, allowing you to boost your nutrient intake without altering the taste significantly. Incorporating spinach into your daily diet can contribute to improved energy levels and overall vitality. And don't worry, it won't turn you into Popeye unless you want it to. In conclusion, these powerhouse ingredients not only enhance the flavor and texture of your smoothies, but also provide a myriad of health benefits. By incorporating Greek yogurt, chia seeds, almond butter, and spinach into your smoothie recipes, you can create delicious and nutritious drinks that support your overall well-being. So the next time you prepare a smoothie, remember to include these ingredients to make the most out of your healthy beverage. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Ready to take your protein intake to the next level? Or just tired of chewing? Ditch the supplements and embrace the power of natural ingredients. Your taste buds will thank you. Experiment with different flavor combinations, because who needs boring? Share your favorite smoothie recipes with friends and family, and maybe even your dog. Let's make protein delicious and nutritious, one smoothie at a time. Cheers to slurping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Also, click the link below for exclusive content and additional resources to help you on your wellness journey. Your support means a lot and helps us to continue to bring you valuable information. So hit that subscribe button and let's stay healthy together.